Namaskar. Welcome to the first lecture of application of trigonometry. In this lecture, we are going to see what is the syllabus and solve exercise 9.1. Let us see syllabus first. Here we are having simple problems on height and distance. Problem should not involve more than two right triangles. Angle of elevation, depression should be only for 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So here the problems are related with application of trigonometry, and the angles involved are 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Maximum two triangles we will see in a problem. Now let us see few terms. First is line of sight. What we mean by line of sight? Line of sight, as you can see, is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. See diagram carefully. What is line of sight? It is the angle which is drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Second, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. So again refer this diagram. In this diagram, this angle which is made with the horizontal, when I am viewing above the horizontal level, then it is called angle of elevation. And third is angle of depression. Again see the diagram. Angle of depression of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. So when I am looking something down, the angle which is made with horizontal is angle of depression. When I am looking up, then the angle made by the horizontal is angle of elevation. So three terms are enough to go through this exercise. Now while you are solving this exercise, you should know trigonometry ratios, like what is the value of tan 45 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 60 degree, or sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, and so on. So here you have to first read your question carefully. Then imagine what is given in the problem. You can draw, you have to definitely draw a suitable diagram to represent the informations given in the problem, and then you can solve the problem. So the first problem is, a circus artist is climbing at a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So the question is, there is a circus artist who is climbing on a 20-meter rope. Now this rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole. So there should be a vertical pole. So you draw a vertical pole. Then you draw a rope, which is definitely inclined at some angle. So go further in the problem. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So angle made by the rope with the ground level is given 30 degree. So first we will draw the diagram. Here AB is pole and AC is the rope. So what is given? AC, the length of the rope is given 20 meter. AB is the height of pole. and we have angle ACB which is 30 degree. So angle made by rope with the ground is 30 degree. And what I have to find? I have to find height of the pole. This height of the pole is need to be find out. Now in this diagram, pole is perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, we can use the trigonometric ratios. Now here, if you see the diagram carefully, if we use sine of 30 degree, then we can easily find the value of AB as value of AC is given. So problem is very simple. What you have to do? You have to consider right angle triangle ACB. In right angle triangle ACB, we use sine of angle C and we solve it. So after solution, we get the value of AB, which is 10. So we will say that the height of pole is 10 meter. Now let us go to the next problem. A tree breaks due to a storm and the broken part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Again, visualize the situation in your mind. Okay, I will show the picture. Okay, this picture you should visualize in your mind. That is there is a tree and that tree is broken, right? Now the broken part is making 30 degree with the ground. So here where this top touches, here we are having a 30 degree angle. Now everything is clear. Okay, so let us first write what is given. Let the broken part of the tree is AC. BC is given 8 meter. Angle ACB is given 30 degree. We have to find height of the tree. That is, we have to calculate AB plus AC. That means we have to find AB as well as AC. So in this given triangle, when I apply tan of angle C, that is tan 30 degree, I will get the value of AB. So I got value of AB as 8 upon root 3. Now as I got value of AB, I can use sine or cos, any of the ratio. So let us apply sine of angle C. Sine of angle C is AB upon AC. As I know the value of AB, I will get the value of AC. So the value of AC is 16 upon root 3. Now the height of tree is AB plus AC. So let us add this equation 1 and 2. I get 24 upon root 3. After rationalization of denominator, I get the value as 8 root 3. So I will say that the height of tree is 8 root 3 meter. Simple question? Yes. So in application of trigonometry, you will find questions are simple. Okay, only you have to analyze question properly. You have to think what is given. You have to visualize the picture in your mind and then draw the respective triangles. Okay, fine. Now let us move to third question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for elder children, she wanted to have steep slides at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of slide in each case? We have to find what is the length of slide in each case. 2 slides are there. Visualize the 2 slide. For one slide, height is 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle 30 degree, and for second slide, height is 3 meter but it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So this is how we can visualize the slides. Now we will write what is given and what is to be find out. So if you see, you have to find the value of AC and value of PR. Okay. Now again, what ratio we are going to use? If you see this smaller triangle or bigger triangle, both are same, and if we apply sine of 30 degree, sine of 60 degree, we will get the value of AC and PR. So this problem I left to you to solve this problem and get the value of AC and PR. Now the next question, fourth question. The angle of elevation of the top of tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. So there is a tower, okay. I am viewing or seeing that tower from a distance of 30 meter from its foot, okay, at an angle of 30 degree. So the picture is clear in my mind. I have to find height of the tower. So again, height of the tower, that is AB, we have to find out. Angle ACB 30 degree is given and BC is given 30 meter. AB need to be find out. Again here, which ratio is preferable? Opposite side we don't know, adjacent side is 30 meter. So it is better to use tan of 30 degree, and by that we will get the value of AB. I hope you will get answer like 10 root 3 meter. So this problem also try, you get the answer. Now next question, fifth question. A kite is flying at an height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Assume that there is no slack in the string, okay. So a kite is flying at an height of 60 meter above the ground. So in the diagram which is shown here, point A represents the position of kite which is at an height of 60 meter from the ground. The string AC represents the string, okay, which is temporarily tied to the ground. So at point C it is tied, and the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. You can see the angle is 60 degree. We have to find the length of the string. So AC we need to find out. Again, what ratio you are going to use? For angle 60 degree, opposite side is given and hypotenuse you need to find out. So you are going to use sine of angle 60 degree. Your result will be 40 root 3 meter. Right? Okay. Try this problem yourself. Height AB is 60. When you use sine 60 degree, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, okay. So by that you will get the answer. Nice. So far the problems are very simple, right? Okay, one triangle is involved and one side we have to find out. Now let us see this sixth question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So the height of boy 1.5 meter, the height of building is 30 meter. Visualize a boy is standing in front of a tall building. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Now you imagine that you are walking towards the building and you are seeing the top of the tower. So as you move towards the building, what you find that you have to lift your head up, okay, that means angle of elevation is increasing. So initially it was 30 degree and as you move towards the building it increases to 60 degree, okay. So you have to find how much distance he walked towards the building. Yes, a little difficult question. PQ is the height of child or boy. AB is your tower, okay, which is 30 meter height. When you are seeing towards the top of tower, you are making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. You move to distance S to a point S. There you find angle of elevation as 60 degree. You have to find this PS, or you can say that this QR. Again here what you can do here in this particular problem, we have two triangles. So we are going to use both the triangles. We will find PC and SC, then we subtract SC from the PC, we get PS, and PS and QR, they are equal, as that PQSR is a rectangle. Now there is no need to prove that this PQRS is a rectangle. From diagram it is easily visualized that this is going to be a rectangle, okay. So as per the given information in the problem, we will say that PQBC is a rectangle. Therefore PQ is equals to BC is equals to 1.5 meter. Now AC, okay, as I am going to use the triangle PCA or ASC, I need AC. So AC is AB minus BC, which is 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is 28.5 meter. Now in triangle ACP, angle C is 90 degree. We are going to use tan of angle P. Tan of angle P, that is tan 30 degree, is equals to AC, which is 28.5 divided by PC. That gives me the value of PC. After solution, I get the value of PC as 28.5 root 3 meter. So PC we got. In the same way, we will take triangle ACS, and in this triangle ACS, we will find the value of SC. The value of SC we got is 9.5 root 3. Now we will find this PS, which is PC minus SC. That gives me answer as 19 root 3. So hence I can say that since PS and QR are equal, the distance QR is equals to 19 root 3. Hence the boy walked a distance of 19 root 3 meter towards the building. The boy walked how much distance? 19 root 3 meter towards the building. Okay. Now this problem is little difficult, okay, as two triangles are involved. You have to analyze how to solve these two triangles, what distance we have to calculate. Let us move to seventh problem. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at a top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of tower. So in this problem, there is a building. On the top of building, there is a transmission tower. Okay, from a point on the ground, you are seeing, okay, the bottom of the transmission tower, which is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. When you see the top of transmission tower, it is at an angle of 60 degree. Okay, the height of building is given 20 meter. We have to find what is the height of tower. Okay, so that is, in this diagram you have visualized correctly. In this diagram you have to find the value of AC. Okay, building is AB. When you see the top of building, that is bottom of transmission tower, you get an angle of 45 degree, and top point C you get an angle of 60 degree. So given you have AB is equals to 20 meter, angle APB is 45 degree, angle CPB is 60 degree. We have to find height of the tower. So to calculate height of the tower, okay, what we can do, when we take this triangle PBA, we will get the value of PB, and when we take triangle CPB, we get the value of PC. Okay, AB already we know, so we will subtract AB from this BC and we will get the value of AC. So let us begin. Since the building is vertical to the ground, I have angle ABP 90 degree. Now in triangle ABP, we have tan P, which is 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equals to AB upon PB. The value of AB is 20 meter. So I will put the respective values and I get the value of PB is 20 meter. So PB is 20 meter. Now I will take another triangle. I will take triangle CBP or CPB. And this triangle, tan of angle P will be BC upon PB. Tan 60 degree is BC upon PB is 20 meter. Now I have from equation 1. Now tan 60 is root 3. So that gives me the value of BC as 20 root 3 meter. Now I have the value of BC 20 root 3 meter and PB as 20 meter. So I get the value of AC as 20 root 3 minus 20. I will take 20 common. So 20 into root 3 minus 1. If in your problem they mention the value of root 3, which is 1.73, okay, near about 1.73, so you can put that value and calculate the answer. But if it is not mentioned in the problem, then it is your choice. You can stop your answer here, that is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So better you stop here, right, as it will save your time, right? Fine. Next problem, 8th problem. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. Okay, you try this problem yourself. I will discuss this problem in next class. I hope you understand each and every question. Okay, well, okay, if you find any difficulty in understanding, just comment me so that I know what improvement I have to do in the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We will see you in the next lecture.